News. Oh, I'm live. What's up, everybody?
Run Maryland Velda, and I put that on two set. Put that on Juju. Oh, Sharon, Sherwood, Gwendolyn, Mary, Mimi, Thelma, Juju. Oh,
Never
telling
heard
you
this before,
about my
Sharon.
people. Hey, I'm the one that they pray for.
Yeah, I really came on.
Can't stop this train.
It's on my story.
Train so scared. You can't stop us now. This train.
Yeah, sorry. Erica. Mm, 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 mm. Let me see. I don't see my boy nowhere. He just dropped a video of Chris saying, see what he talking about. There we go.
Creators, take these 3 apps I built to run my business made with Base 44. They're ready for you as free to use.
Hey, a quick fit check for our 30-day challenge, walking 60 minutes a day. Guys, these are my must-haves. Shit, I can't forget the beanie. If I don't got my walking shoes, we in some Air Maxes and my fat man suit. This is my staple right here. I don't care what you wear. As long as you get your 60 minutes a day in, you good with Coach. Health is wealth. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Okay, guys, if you're ready to make some money this week, let me know down in the comments below, man. Great job last week, though, but I want you guys to prepare to run it back. Listen to this real quick before we dive into some of the hot plays I got for you guys on today. Think about what went well and what went right, and think about what you need to improve on for this upcoming week, okay? Do me that one favor. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We're going to cook the spy. We're going to cook Tesla, okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, listen, you know Coach is the king of putting you in position ahead of time, okay? I ain't going to tell you about something after it already popped. So Bitcoin is on deck in terms of being in position for when it's about to break out next. Let me know if that's understood, okay? You're not going to have all of this stuff running and Bitcoin don't join the party, okay? We had our time. We done fell from the 120s back down to this level right here and a little bit lower, okay? But now we're starting to settle. Once we settle and we establish a base, we can then begin to move back to the upside, okay? So do me a favor, put Bitcoin back in towards the forefront. There's other plays I got for you next that's going to still cook before Bitcoin. But I say you missed AMD. You didn't miss it. It got more room to run, okay? It's going to 600. But say you miss AMD. Okay, well, Meta ain't ran yet. Netflix ain't ran yet. Bitcoin ain't ran again yet. These things have run, but this is the rinse and repeat cycle that Coach is teaching you and telling you about, okay? So do me that favor, guys. Make sure you got Bitcoin on deck, all right? Next, we got the SPY, okay? If nothing else, guys, I want you to become masters of the total stock market. The top 500 companies in the S&P 500 is the SPY, and I want you guys to, if nothing else, that's your learning ground. That's your training ground. That's where you get your feet wet at. This is what I want you to master from a long-term investing standpoint, and those of you that are starting to learn how to trade, I want you to start with this.
Yeah, now that's what I'm trying to. I got not doing SPY, doing SPYM. Right now I got 40 shares of it, and it's doing pretty decent, I must say. All right, let's get back.
Because if you can learn how the market moves, if you can learn the things in terms of the catalyst that moves the markets, guys, then you can do an awful lot in terms of your own weekly and daily monetary goals. Okay, so the SPY is currently 737. Guys, we're going to look to test 740 on this week. So what that means is coach is simply saying on all pullbacks, okay, you need to be getting in position knowing that to go retest 737. So if we fall to 734 or 730, you need to say to yourself, okay, boom, we pulled back only for us to try to go higher or at least capture the level we came from. Quit trying to buy at 737 thinking.
All right. This is what it did today. I'm on the 5-minute chart. And yeah, man, pretty much opened up at 736. Made a good move early on. Mainly traded sideways, in my opinion. Didn't have that big spread, but 4 points is this usually what it does in a day. But yeah, it looked like it opened up. Look on the 30-minute. Yeah, it had a strong candle on the 30-minute. Like it pulled back. This would have been a good entry right here. Yeah, it looked like it pulled back. And went back up. Let me, yeah, do that right there. Yeah, so that would have been a nice prime entry right there. You know, it did go down a little bit. It looked like it bounced off the 30-minute on the 13. Yep, so it looked like came up. It was resistance at 9. Like it, boom, had a breakout. Did the usual thing, broke out, boom, boom. And see, that's how they get you. See, usually, even though there's a doji, usually a lot of folks would have got in because they finished up and boom. Look at that right there. Bam. Thing went down whole $2. See, a lot of folks probably got inputs right there. And then bam, bounce right back up. So yeah, I guess if you would had a entry right up in here, it would have been all right. You could have caught this candle right here. Like I say, mainly these were the two biggest moves to me. The opening, this one right here at 9:30, and coming back up, and like from there, kind of